this week's tip of the week for SAP Business One. This week's tip of the week, we're going to show you gross profit and how to look at that on sales orders, deliveries, AR invoices, things like that. So first thing we're going to do is I already have a sales order up for us here, and simply enough, we're just going to right click. We're going to go down to gross profit, and it's going to bring up the gross profit of this order here. Now we can review each different line here, so it's going to give us the base price, total price, sales price, our quantities, and then it's going to calculate our gross profit and our profit percentage here. And then it also calculates everything up here at the bottom as well. If we would like to, we could change the base price by, and we have different selections here. So let's say we have it on item cost. Want to change it to base price, we can do that, so on and so forth here. Thank you for watching this video. As always, please reach out to us here at Support One with any questions. Click on the link to subscribe for more content.